Hi everyone and welcome to another WaverOS tutorial. WaverOS includes a powerful built-in marketing toolkit designed specifically for hotels, coffee shops, resorts, and any guest-focused business. In this video, we'll show you how to create impactful marketing campaigns right from your device using 3 essential tools: automations, discount coupons, and bulk messaging. WaverOS also supports third-party integrations, making it easy to export guest data or sync automatically with tools like Mailchimp for newsletters or Clickatell for SMS, WhatsApp, and Apple Messages campaigns. These features are built into every Waver device with no extra subscriptions, no complicated setup, giving you everything you need to engage guests and encourage repeat visits effortlessly. Let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll use a hypothetical rooftop bar called Citizen. We'll walk through how the manager at Citizen can use their Waver gateway to enable automated emails, send promotional SMS, and launch targeted coupon campaigns, all from a single easy-to-use dashboard. The system works by utilizing the email addresses and mobile numbers stored in the device's local database. For example, if the property uses email login or Facebook login, WaverOS can automatically send marketing emails and discount coupons to guests who have previously signed in. Similarly, if the property uses mobile login, the system can send SMS messages directly to those guests' mobile devices. Now let's walk through the steps to set it up. The first step is to configure the device so it can send messages. To begin, log into the admin panel and go to Campaigns and then Connectivity Settings. We'll start with the email settings, enable the option labeled Custom SMTP, OTP, and Campaigns. To send emails, you'll need SMTP credentials, usually provided by your hosting provider. Some popular options include Zoho, SMTP2Go, Mailjet, SendGrid, or Amazon SES. In the From Email field, I'll enter the email address the business uses for promotional communication. This is what customers will see as the sender in their inbox. For this demonstration, I'll use campaigns@wavertech.com. In the sender name field, I'll type Citizen Rooftop Bar so it's clear and recognizable to guests. For the reply to email, I'll also enter my demo email address. In the SMTP host field, I'll enter ssl://mail.wavertech.com, the outgoing mail server address provided by our hosting provider. Then in the port field, I'll enter 465, which is the standard for secure SSL connections. The username is typically the same as the email address, so I'll enter campaigns@wavertech.com again. Last step is to enter the email account password. Once everything is filled out, I'll click Save to apply the settings. There's also an email connectivity test available to verify that everything is configured correctly. Now, in order to enable the device to send text messages to mobile numbers, we need to configure the SMS gateway. First, I'll enable SMS in the SMS settings. Then, I'll select the default country. In this case, I'll leave it set to United States, which is the default value. WaverOS currently supports 2 SMS providers, SMS Global and Clickatell. For this example, I'll choose Clickatell. Once selected, the system will prompt for an API key. This key links WaverOS to your Clickatell account and enables SMS delivery. To get your API key, simply log into your Clickatell dashboard, create a new HTTP API integration, and copy the key provided. There's also an SMS connectivity test available to confirm that your SMS setup is working correctly. And now we're ready to move on and start customizing our campaigns. I'll head to the Automations page. Automations is a powerful tool that lets us send messages automatically based on specific triggers or conditions. This way, we can engage guests at the perfect moment, whether it's welcoming a new visitor, following up after a second or third visit, or promoting special offers, without manually sending each message. I'll click Create New Automation to get started. In this example, our goal is to engage guests who have visited the bar once by informing them about a special weekly event. We'll create an automated message that's sent immediately after their first visit, letting them know that every Friday night, the rooftop hosts a live jazz night. First, I'll set the automation title to Friday Jazz Nights and choose the audience. I'll keep all options selected: email users, Facebook users, and mobile users, so we reach everyone. Then, I'll define the active period for the automation. I'll keep the start date as today and set the end date to 2 months from now. Next, I'll set the visit count to send to 1, meaning the guest will get this message after their first visit. Finally, I'll schedule the message to be sent immediately after their visit and click Save. In the email section, we can customize the content and include images using the editor. The editor also supports HTML, enabling fully formatted, visually engaging messages. First, I'll enter Friday Jazz Nights as the email subject. Next, I'll upload a vibrant image to capture the audience's attention. In the email main text, I'll inform the guest about the event, describing the atmosphere they can expect. In the email extra text, I can provide additional details or reminders, like the event's start time and a reservation link. For example, I'll write, "Doors open at 9 p.m. For reservations, visit our website," and using HTML, I'll style "visit our website" as a blue clickable link to ensure it's easily visible and inviting to click. Finally, in the email footer text, we can include essential business information such as contact details and social media links to help guests stay connected. This is also where the unsubscribe option is placed. To find the unsubscribe link, go to Captive Portal and then Legal Compliance, and copy the unsubscribe URL from the Unsubscribe Page tab. And using HTML, it can be displayed as a clear, clickable link. Once everything is set, I'll click Save to apply the changes. Let's put it to the test. First, I'll connect to the guest Wi-Fi, and once the Captive Portal is shown, I will sign in with my email address. Within a few minutes, the automated email we configured arrives in my inbox, no extra steps, and no manual work. Next, in the SMS section, I'll customize the text message that will go to guests who log in with their mobile number. I'll add a concise event description, the start time, and a reservation link. The preview shows exactly how the SMS will look to the guest. When I'm satisfied, I click Save. Now I'll connect again, this time using my mobile number. After a short delay, the system delivers the message straight to my phone. With these automations, we engage our guests effortlessly, promoting special events, rewarding repeat visits, and strengthening their connection with our brand. Next, let's move on to coupons. Coupons are a powerful marketing tool to attract guests, increase sales, and encourage repeat visits. For this example, I'll offer a 20% discount to guests who visited the bar once, and I'll set the coupon to be sent automatically after their first visit. First, I'll click New Coupon Campaign. For the title, I'll enter 20% discount. I'll leave all audience options selected so we reach as many guests as possible. I want this campaign to run for 2 months, so in the Send Until field, I'll select a date 2 months from now. I'll set the discount amount to 20%, the visit count to 1, and I'll choose to send the coupon immediately after their visit. I'm setting it to immediate just for this demonstration, but you can schedule it for later to match your brand strategy or promotion timing. For the validity period, I'll choose days after received and enter 15 days. This means guests will have 15 days to redeem the coupon after receiving it. Once everything is set, I'll click Save and move on to crafting the email content. In the email subject, I'll type 20% discount on your next visit. Next, I'll upload a relevant eye-catching image to grab the guest's attention. In the email main text, I'll clearly explain the offer details. Then, I'll customize the coupon detail labels. For example, I'll change the amount label to discount, since we're offering a percentage off. In the email extra text field, I'll include a reservation link. And in the footer text, I'll add our social media links along with the unsubscribe option. Once that's done, I'll click Save. Now let's see how it works in practice. I'll connect to the guest Wi-Fi and log in with my email. After just a few minutes, I receive the email with a unique coupon code, complete with the discount offer, image, and clickable reservation link. It's simple and entirely automated. Now let's set up this SMS version of the coupon. This message will go out to guests who log in using their mobile number. Using dynamic fields, I'll personalize the message with the discount amount, coupon code, and validity dates, all pulled automatically from the campaign settings. Once I'm happy with the content, I'll click Save. And now, let's test it. I'll connect again, this time using my mobile number. Shortly after logging in, I receive a message with my unique discount code and the campaign details directly on my phone. Wavertech generates individual coupon codes for each user, meaning that once a coupon is redeemed, it can't be used again. This ensures secure and trackable promotions. Of course, if you prefer something more general, like a single shared code, you can use the automations feature we covered earlier to send the same code to all users. This is ideal for broader, less restricted promotions. When you use unique discount codes, Wavertech includes a built-in coupon manager app that makes it easy to track, organize, and manage all guest coupons in a single centralized place. You can access the Coupon Manager app in several ways. From the Coupons page in the admin panel, directly through the admin panel login screen by clicking the coupon icon, or by entering one of the following URLs: device IP/order/coupons for local access, and cloud access URL/coupons for remote access via the cloud. Access to the app requires the App Manager password, which is managed under Users and Privileges in the System section of the admin panel. Now, let's see how it works. Inside the Coupon Manager app, you'll find three main sections: Available Codes, Redeemed Codes, and All Codes. The Available Codes tab shows all active valid coupons that are ready to be redeemed. The Redeemed Codes section lists coupons that have already been used, along with their redemption details. In the All Codes tab, you get a full overview of every coupon ever generated, whether expired, active, or redeemed. From here, you can also delete expired codes or export the entire list as a CSV file. Each section includes a search bar and entry display options, making it easy to quickly find and manage any coupon in your campaign. For example, when a guest presents a coupon code, an employee can simply open the Coupon Manager app, either from a smartphone, a POS terminal, or a fixed tablet, search for the code under the Available Codes tab, and tap Redeem. The coupon will then automatically move to the Redeemed Codes section, keeping everything organized and up to date. Keep in mind, deleting a coupon requires admin authorization to prevent accidental or unauthorized actions and to maintain the integrity of your campaigns. That means everything we need is built in, making guest engagement easy, secure, and efficient on any device. Now let's explore the bulk message campaigns, another powerful tool for mass communication. It allows us to reach a broad audience via email or SMS, making it ideal for promoting new products, special events, or time-limited offers. For this example, the bar has introduced a new wine collection and we want to promote it through a special campaign. We'll invite guests who have already visited the venue to discover these hand-picked wines, available for a limited time. I begin by clicking New Bulk Message to start setting up the campaign. For the title, I'll enter New Wine Collection. Next, I define the target audience. I choose to send the message to email users, Facebook users, and mobile users. Then, I filter the recipients based on their login history. In this case, I'll target guests who logged into our Wi-Fi between 1 year ago and 1 month ago, so we reach both long-time and recently active visitors. For the email message, I'll personalize the subject line with "Discover our new limited wine collection." Then I upload a high-quality image of the wine selection to make it visually appealing and craft the main message. For the SMS, I keep it short, engaging, and direct. I also include a link so guests can learn more or reserve a table. Before launching the campaign, we can send test messages to ensure everything appears correctly. Once I'm satisfied, I click Launch, and the campaign is sent to all selected recipients. Finally, I can monitor its progress directly from the Bulk Messages page. The status will update automatically to show whether the campaign is pending, in progress, completed, or partially completed, giving you full visibility from start to finish. Now let's take a quick look at the third-party services you can connect with WaverOS. To integrate WaverOS with external platforms, go to the Captive Portal and then Connected page. Under Advanced Options, locate the Webhooks section and enable the webhook to automatically send guest login data, such as email, phone number, login time, and custom fields every time a user connects to your Wi-Fi. Choose between get and post methods based on how your destination system expects to receive data, and then paste your destination URL, for example, a Zapier webhook. This allows real-time integration between your Wi-Fi system and any CRM, marketing platform, or third-party service, ensuring guest data is instantly routed where it's needed, with no manual effort. For email campaigns, WaverOS integrates directly with Mailchimp. To set it up, just go to the admin panel, open integrations, and then Mailchimp, enter your audience ID and API key, and choose how often you want the system to sync. From there, your guest email list stays updated automatically, so you can launch advanced email campaigns through Mailchimp without any manual exports. For SMS and messaging campaigns, WaverOS supports SMS Global and Clickatell. Clickatell also gives you access to channels like WhatsApp and Apple Messages, allowing you to reach your guests wherever they are, with personalized, interactive messages. It's the perfect solution for time-sensitive promotions and real-time engagement. And that concludes our campaigns tutorial. If you found this walkthrough valuable, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you'll be the first to know about new WaverOS content. For detailed documentation, best practice guides, and advanced examples, visit docs.wavertech.com. To learn more about waiver gateways or to choose the right model for your business, head over to wavertech.com and explore our product lineup. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.